Henry Ford was a pioneer in the automotive industry, and his success story is an inspiring one. Ford was born in a small farming community in rural Michigan in 1863. From a young age, he had a fascination with machines and spent much of his time tinkering and experimenting with different mechanical devices. Ford's first foray into the automotive industry came in 1896, when he built his first self-propelled vehicle, the quadricycle. This was a crude, four-wheeled vehicle powered by a small engine, but it was a significant step forward in the development of the automobile. In 1903, Ford founded the Ford Motor Company with a group of investors. The company began producing automobiles on a larger scale and quickly gained a reputation for producing reliable, affordable vehicles. One of the key factors in Ford's success was his use of the assembly line. Prior to Ford's innovations, cars were built by hand, one at a time, which made them expensive and time-consuming to produce. Ford introduced the assembly line, which allowed cars to be built more efficiently and at a lower cost. The assembly line was a revolutionary concept that drastically reduced the time it took to build a car. Instead of having workers move from one car to the next, each worker was assigned a specific task and the cars moved past them on a conveyor belt. This allowed for much faster production and lower costs, which in turn made it possible for Ford to offer his cars at a much lower price point than his competitors. This innovation not only made Ford's cars more affordable, but it also made the company more efficient and profitable. It also had a major impact on the economy, as it created new jobs and spurred the growth of other industries, such as steel and rubber. In 1908, Ford introduced the Model T, which became an instant hit. The Model T was a reliable, sturdy car that was affordable for the average person. It was also easy to maintain and repair, which made it popular with farmers and small business owners. In the years that followed, Ford continued to innovate and expand. It opened factories all over the world, including in Canada, the UK, and Australia. It also diversified its product line, producing trucks, buses, and even tractors. During World War II, Ford played a critical role in the war effort, producing tanks, airplanes, and other military vehicles. After the war, the company returned to producing civilian vehicles and continued to grow and prosper. Ford's success was not without its challenges, however. The company faced a number of strikes and labor disputes, as workers demanded better pay and working conditions. Ford was opposed to unions and often clashed with his workers, but he eventually recognized the need for better relations with his employees and implemented a number of reforms, including a 5-day workweek and a minimum wage. Despite its success, Ford faced its fair share of challenges over the years. The company had to weather several economic downturns, including the Great Depression and the recession of the early 2000s. It also had to deal with intense competition from other automobile manufacturers, both domestic and foreign. Like any other company, Ford has faced its share of challenges over the years. However, through a combination of innovation, hard work, and determination, the company has been able to overcome these challenges and emerge stronger than ever. One of the biggest challenges that Ford has faced is changing consumer preferences. As the automotive market has evolved, so too have consumer tastes. Ford has had to adapt to these changes by introducing new products and technologies, and by shifting its focus to areas like electric and autonomous vehicles. Another challenge that Ford has faced is intense competition from other automakers. The automotive industry is highly competitive, and Ford has had to work hard to maintain its market share in the face of strong competition. One way that Ford has been able to meet these challenges is through innovation. The company has a long history of innovation, dating back to the introduction of the assembly line and the Model T. Today, Ford is a leader in the development of electric and autonomous vehicles, and is constantly working to improve the sustainability of its products and manufacturing processes. In addition to innovation, Ford has also focused on building strong relationships with its customers, employees, and communities. By listening to its stakeholders and responding to their needs, Ford has been able to build a loyal customer base and create a positive reputation for itself. Finally, Ford has also faced challenges related to economic downturns and changing regulatory environments. However, by being proactive and adapting to these changes, the company has been able to navigate these challenges and emerge stronger on the other side. Like any other company, Ford has made mistakes in the past. However, it has also learned from those mistakes and taken steps to address them. Here are a few examples of where Ford may have blundered in the past. 1. Quality issues. In the 1980s and 1990s, Ford faced criticism for the quality of its vehicles. Some of its cars had a reputation for being unreliable, which hurt its reputation and sales. In response, Ford implemented a number of quality initiatives and made significant investments in its manufacturing processes to improve the quality of its vehicles. 2. Environmental concerns. In the past, Ford, like many other automakers, was criticized for its environmental impact. In particular, its vehicles were known for emitting high levels of pollutants. In recent years, however, Ford has made significant progress in reducing its environmental impact. It has introduced a number of green initiatives, including the development of electric and hybrid vehicles, and has made significant improvements in the efficiency of its manufacturing processes. 3. Labor relations. Ford has also faced challenges related to its relationships with its employees. In the past, the company has faced criticism for its treatment of workers, including allegations of low wages and poor working conditions. In response, Ford has worked to improve its relationships with its employees, including by implementing fair wages and better working conditions. In conclusion, while Ford has faced a number of challenges and made mistakes in the past, it has also learned from those mistakes and taken steps to address them. Today, the company is a leader in the automotive industry and is well respected for its commitment to quality, sustainability, and its stakeholders. There are a number of reasons why someone might choose to buy a Ford car. Here are a few. 1. Quality. Ford is known for producing high-quality vehicles that are reliable and built to last. The company has a long history of innovation and has made significant investments in its manufacturing processes to ensure the quality of its vehicles. 2. Value. Ford is also known for offering good value for money. Its vehicles are generally priced competitively and offer a good balance of features and performance. 3. Variety. Ford has a diverse product line that includes a wide range of vehicles, from small cars to full-size trucks and SUVs. This means that there is likely a Ford vehicle to suit every need and budget. For innovation, Ford is a leader in the development of electric and autonomous vehicles, and is constantly working to improve the sustainability of its products and manufacturing processes. If you are looking for a vehicle that is at the cutting edge of technology, Ford is definitely worth considering. 5. Customer service. Ford is known for its strong customer service, with a network of dealerships and service centers that are dedicated to meeting the needs of its customers. So, if you're looking at cars with best quality, sustainability, durability alongside affordable price, and you are in the market for a new car, Ford is definitely worth considering. The company offers a wide range of high-quality, innovative vehicles at competitive prices, and has a strong commitment to customer service. Ford persevered and continued to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. In the 21st century, the company has focused on sustainability and green technology, introducing electric and hybrid vehicles to its lineup. In the 1920s, Ford's company was the largest producer of automobiles in the world. Ford's innovations had changed the way cars were made, and he had revolutionized the automotive industry. In the years that followed, Ford continued to grow and expand. The company introduced new models and technologies, and it became a global leader in the industry. Today, Ford is one of the most recognized and respected automobile manufacturers in the world, and its success story is a testament to the vision and determination of its founder, Henry Ford.